How's it going, guys? Aidan here from Ottawa Dodge. Looks like it's about to storm, so I'm gonna make this quick. We just took in this beautiful 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. This thing's actually really cool. I haven't had the chance until now to actually go over one of these vehicles. Something really cool on the outside that I saw is you can actually pop the glass open from right here. Really cool. I can see here it's got a backup camera, which is nice. You can open up the door from here as well. Pretty decent sized trunk. This kind of reminds me of the Renegade a little bit, but in all honesty, this is actually a lot nicer than the Renegade. I opened up the back seats earlier. You can see it's cloth. A little bit of nicer material there. Kind of feels like a bit of a fake leather. You got some nice cup holders. There is little storage spots kind of hidden throughout here. As you can see, you can unzip this. This unit's in crazy good shape. It is a 2021, so it's basically new. We have it on our pre-owned lot. I'd love to get you guys in, see what sort of rate we can get you on this. Beautiful white color, not a single scratch on it. Anyways, it is starting to rain. Give me a shout, 613-745-7051. Reach Main Extension 1112. Again, this is Aidan from Ottawa St-Laurent Jeep and Ram with this new trade-in we just took in, 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Thanks, and have a good one.